up, everybody? Welcome to the show. Today what I wanted to do is do a little intro on what is Bohemia Kustom. So right now I'm in my little engine room here. I build engines around in here. The original goal of this channel was to really focus on some of the engine builds. But I noticed, on the internet there's a lot of videos out there that kind of have how-tos and just great videos, great informational videos on different things. So I will do some of those just to show you guys some of the stuff I'm working on when I get time. But what I want to also do is extend it over to some engine science, right? So maybe a little more in-depth of why we use certain oil viscosities with certain bearing clearances and what your crosshatch angle should look like on a Subaru versus what it should look like on an LS. So these kind of details maybe I'll get into, or better yet, if I'm lucky, I can get some of the more experienced engine builders, guys been doing it for 30, 40 years, get them on a show, whether it's through online Zoom meeting or something, and record that and ask the questions and have them answer. And then as we go through that, I would like to drag you guys along to some of the car shows here or the races. So I specifically like to do drag racing with my Impreza, eventually my Supra, and eventually I'd like to do maybe a Fox body as well. So I'll get a little bit crazy with the street cars and drag race. But in Central Europe, rally's bigger, from an amateur perspective. So maybe I'll go to some of those events, or at least check out the cars, the engineering. So we'll do that, and if the interest is there, then I'll travel over to Hungary or to Slovakia and Poland and do the same things. You guys want to invite me out to some stuff, I definitely will consider it. And just kind of get a flavor of what's going on over here in Central Europe. I am an American, that's why I have the flag here, but I've been here for 2 decades outside of Prague here. So I have a unique view of growing up with a drag racing father, very big block oriented carb guy. Then I moved out here, and then slowly got into little squirrel engines, little Subaru engines with turbos, and started making bigger horsepower with those, and just kind of migrating around and check out the different technologies around. So I'll try to give you guys an interesting insight of what's going on here. I'll try to entertain you guys a little bit, find some entertaining video material. I'll try to keep it somewhat family oriented. There may be some non-family oriented content on here sometimes, but I'll warn you guys in advance. Otherwise, let's see what we can find together. And you guys will have any specific things you want to see at some point, just put it in the comments, and we'll go from there. I'll try to give you guys some insight into what's going on over here. So stay tuned, and let's talk soon.